Struggling to keep up with endless emails, reports, and research? What if two AI powerhouses could fix that, but only one is right for your specific grind? Today, we're diving headfirst into Claude and Perplexity, two of the most talked about AI tools. We're not just comparing features, we're breaking down exactly how each one supercharges your workday, whether you're a professional churning out reports, a researcher digging for gold, or just someone looking to simplify daily tasks. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to integrate the right AI into your workflow, saving you hours. First up, we have Claude. Think of Claude as your highly intelligent, incredibly patient research assistant who's read every book in the library. Its superpower lies in its massive context window. This means you can feed Claude entire books, long research papers, dense legal documents, or even hundreds of pages of meeting notes, and it remembers everything. It can then summarize, analyze, or even rewrite complex information with remarkable accuracy and depth. For professionals, this is a game changer for deep document analysis, policy drafting, or brainstorming intricate project plans. Researchers can hand over piles of literature and ask Claude to find connections, pull out key findings, or even generate hypotheses. Even for the general public, if you're trying to understand a complicated topic from multiple sources, Claude can break it down into easy-to-digest pieces, making learning feel effortless. It's also incredibly creative, excellent for generating unique ideas, drafting content, or even helping with coding tasks. The challenge, however, is that Claude often relies on the information you give it. It doesn't always have real-time access to the internet. Now, let's talk about Perplexity. If Claude is the deep-thinking librarian, Perplexity is the lightning-fast, hyper-connected investigative journalist. Its core strength is its ability to access the internet in real time, provide up-to-date information, and, crucially, cite its sources. This isn't just a search engine. It's a search engine powered by an AI that understands your questions and gives you a direct, summarized answer with links to where it found that information. For professionals, this means quick market research, fact-checking data points, or getting immediate answers on current events affecting your industry, all with verifiable sources. Researchers find it invaluable for finding the latest studies, checking current statistics, or getting a quick overview of a new field. For the general public, it's like having a personal fact-checker and explainer for any question that pops into your head, from "What's the capital of Timbuktu?" to "Explain quantum physics in simple terms," complete with the websites it used. Perplexity is designed for speed and accuracy when you need current, verifiable information, making it ideal for tasks that demand factual accuracy and fresh data. So, which one wins for productivity? Here's the key. It's not about one beating the other. It's about knowing when to use each. Imagine you're a professional drafting a complex report. You'd use Claude to analyze internal documents, summarize previous reports, and brainstorm initial sections. But then, you'd switch to Perplexity to find the latest industry statistics, recent market trends, or current news articles to back up your points and cite them accurately. For a researcher doing a literature review, Claude can digest huge papers you've found, pulling out themes and creating summaries. Perplexity steps in when you need to find new papers, identify emerging scholars, or check if your hypothesis has been recently disproven. For daily life, if you're writing a creative story, Claude is your co-writer. If you need to know the weather forecast or the best way to get a stain out of a shirt, Perplexity is your go-to. The real productivity win comes from using Claude for deep analytical work, creative ideation, and summarizing your own large datasets, while reserving Perplexity for real-time facts, current events, and quickly verifying information from the vastness of the internet. The truth is, integrating both Claude and Perplexity into your workflow gives you the ultimate AI assistant, capable of tackling virtually any information challenge you face. Knowing their unique strengths is how you truly level up your productivity. Want to master more AI tools for your work? Click the video on your screen right now.